Time, the one thing that touches every corner of existence. It shapes our lives, our thoughts, our memories, yet remains the greatest mystery of all. We can measure it, feel it, fear it, but we can't escape it. And yet, imagine this. One day, without warning, time simply stops. Not slows down, not pauses. It ceases to exist, no ticking clocks. No aging, no movement, no sound, only stillness. This is not the end of life. It is the end of everything that can change. To understand what that means, we first have to ask, what is time? Einstein showed us that time isn't a constant rhythm flowing everywhere the same way. It's bound together with space, forming a single fabric, space-time. And this fabric can bend, stretch, even twist upon itself. Move faster, and time slows down for you. Fall into a deep gravitational field, and time stretches out. Two observers in different places can experience time at different speeds, and both would be right. Time, it turns out, is not universal. It's personal, relative. So, if time can slow, can it ever truly stop? Picture this. Every atom in the universe freezes mid-motion. Every star, every wave, every heartbeat suspended. No light, because photons can't move. No sound, because air cannot vibrate. No thought, because neurons can't fire. Without time, nothing can happen. Because happening requires a before and after. And if there is no before, and no after, there's no existence as we know it. If time stopped, you wouldn't even realize it. Because realization itself depends on time. You would be frozen in a single, eternal instant, unaware that anything had changed. Physics says time can approach zero, but never truly reach it. Near a black hole, time slows almost to a standstill. If you watch someone falling into one, you'd see them freeze at the edge, forever trapped at the event horizon. From your perspective, their time has stopped. From theirs, everything feels normal. They're still thinking, breathing, falling. The universe plays a strange trick here. Time hasn't truly stopped. It's just stretched so far apart from an outside view. It looks infinite. So maybe stopping time is less about freezing clocks and more about the limits of perception. To truly stop time, space-time itself would have to tear apart. That's not impossible in theory, but it would require energies beyond comprehension. Even the Big Bang, the most violent event in cosmic history, didn't stop time. It started at . So perhaps the real question isn't, could time stop? But could the meaning of time disappear? Let's think of time like temperature. When atoms move fast, things are hot. When they slow, things cool. At absolute zero, motion stops completely. Could there be an absolute zero of time? Some scientists think that near the beginning and end of the universe, time loses meaning. At the Big Bang, the universe was so dense, so chaotic, that before and after had no distinction. Likewise, in the far future, when all energy is spent, when the last stars die and black holes fade, the universe reaches perfect stillness. No movement, no difference, no time. That final silence, the heat death of the universe, might be the cosmic equivalent of time's absolute zero. Not because time ends, but because there's nothing left to change. Our perception of time depends on change, cause, and effect. When you drop a glass, it shatters. That's how you know time is moving forward. But in the quantum world, cause and effect blur. Particles can move backward in time. Events can happen in both directions. To nature, the arrow of time doesn't really exist. It's only entropy, the tendency for things to move toward disorder, that makes time feel one way. So, if entropy ever stopped increasing, time's arrow could disappear entirely. That would be the true end of time. Not frozen, but meaningless. A universe where before and after don't exist. Some physicists believe time might not even be fundamental. It could be an illusion, a side effect of deeper, timeless laws. Imagine the universe as a vast ocean. We, living beings, are waves rising and falling on its surface. To us, it feels like time flows. But the ocean itself, the deeper reality, is perfectly still. We think we move through time. But what if time is moving through us? In this block universe view, every moment, past, present, future, exists simultaneously. We don't travel a long time. We are fixed within it. A sculpture carved from SPAC-ETIME.U, reading this right now, already exists in eternity. You just experience it one frame at a time. For humans, though, time is everything. It gives our stories meaning. Birth, growth, death. Without it, there's no memory, no anticipation, no emotion. Time is what lets us become. If it stopped, it would be no tragedy, but no beauty either. No beginning or end, just still existence, unknowable and endless. We are creatures of motion, and time is our sea. To stop it is to erase what we are far into the future. The universe may face that reality. Stars will fade. Galaxies will vanish beyond the cosmic horizon. Black holes will evaporate into thin radiation. Eventually, there will be no light, no energy, no movement. A quiet, dark void dot, and when that happens, time may fade with it. Not as a sudden stop, but as a long, slow exhale. The clock doesn't shatter. It just stops ticking because there's nothing left to count. Time ends not with a bang, but with a whisper. But what if time could start again? Some scientists believe the universe is cyclical, that after its death, another big bang will occur. Time would reboot. A new cosmos would rise from the ashes of the old, with new stars, new galaxies, and maybe even new versions of us. So perhaps time never truly ends. It just loops, forever resetting itself in endless cycles. That would mean we've already lived countless lives in countless universes, each one born from the frozen silence of the last. And here's the strangest thought of all. If time did stop everywhere, no one would ever notice. Because noticing requires memory, and memory requires time. The moment before time stopped would look identical to the moment after, because without time, there is no after dot. Maybe that's the secret. Maybe time already has stopped, and we're simply experiencing our one eternal moment, stretched across what feels like forever. Every heartbeat, every breath, every falling star, all happening always in the same cosmic instant. Perhaps time isn't something that moves, it's something that is. A structure we're trapped inside, perceiving only the illusion of flow dot, and when the last atom decays, and the universe finally falls silent, that timeless structure will remain unchanging. Eternal, perfect dot, so even if time stopped everywhere, the story of the universe wouldn't vanish. It would be preserved, every second, every thought, every heartbeat, frozen forever in the fabric of existence. We might never escape time. But maybe that's because we are time, the universe's heartbeat, its pulse, its rhythm. And when that rhythm ends, when time itself falls silent, the echo of everything that ever was will remain forever.